Born on August 26, 1910, in North Macedonia, Mother Teresa was the founder of the Order of the Missionaries of Charity, a Roman Catholic congregation of women dedicated to helping the poor. Considered one of the 20th century's greatest humanitarians, she was canonized as Saint Teresa of Calcutta in 2016, and she died on September 5, 1997 in India. Teresa was in her early years when she was fascinated by stories of the lives of missionaries and their service in Bengal. By age 12, she was convinced that she should commit herself to religious life. Teresa left home in 1928 at age 18 to join the Sisters of Loreto at Loreto Abbey in Ireland to learn English with the intent of becoming a missionary. English was the language of instruction of the Sisters of Loreto in India. Teresa took her first religious vows on May 24, 1931. She chose to be named after Thérèse de Lisieux, the patron saint of missionaries. Because a nun in the convent had already chosen that name, she opted for its Spanish spelling, Teresa. In 1937, she was a teacher at the Loreto Convent School in eastern Calcutta. She served there for nearly 20 years and was appointed its headmistress in 1944. Although Teresa enjoyed teaching at the school, she was increasingly disturbed by the poverty surrounding her in Calcutta. She began missionary work with the poor in 1948, replacing her traditional Loreto habit with a simple white cotton sari with a blue border. Teresa adopted Indian citizenship, spent several months in Patna to receive basic medical training at Holy Family Hospital, founded a school in Kolkata before she began tending to the poor and hungry people. At the beginning of 1949, Teresa was joined in her effort by a group of young women, and she led the foundation for a new religious community helping the poorest among the poor. With no income, she begged for food and supplies, and even this couldn't stop her efforts to do good, and she founded so many charity associations. By 1997, the 13-member Kolkata congregation had grown to more than 4,000 sisters who managed orphanages, AIDS hospices, and charity centers worldwide, caring for refugees, the blind, disabled, aged, alcoholics, the poor, and homeless, and victims of floods, epidemics, and famine. By 2007, the Missionaries of Charity numbered about 450 brothers and 5,000 sisters worldwide, operating 600 missions, schools, and shelters in 120 countries.
Let us all together thank God for this beautiful occasion where we can all together proclaim the joy of spreading peace.
I find Mother Teresa's story so inspirational. It shows you that life really means nothing if you don't do anything to help other people in need. Surprisingly, being a volunteer for a cause, no matter what it is, gives you a so very nice feeling of calmness, forgiveness, and peace of mind. You just find your inner peace by helping other people.